Hi, my name is Falake, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what I do to create content when I don't feel like it. Because it's not every day that I feel like making content, especially because I have a 9 to 5, so I can't possibly be creating content every single day. I have to make the best use of my time. So how do I go about this? The weekends, holidays. So what I do is, when I'm shooting content, I'm making no less than 6 videos. Even if it's 1-minute videos, because hey, guess what? 6 videos, 1 YouTube upload a week. That's 6 weeks of content done in 1 day. Listen, you just have to find a way to make it work. So when I don't feel like it, and I already said, okay, today I'm going to make content, I'm going to shoot some videos, and maybe I have a headache. Well, how did I get myself to this state? So I took a nap, right, earlier on. And then I still woke up with a headache. But hey, guess what? I already said I was going to do the content, right? So I find that by the time I do my makeup, right? I start to do my makeup. And I make sure I take my time with my makeup, right? As I start to do the makeup, and my face is looking like sunshine. And I'm looking like even more of an angel, because on a normal day I look like an angel. So by the time I have makeup on, it's like, oh my God, she's so fine. So by the time I'm done with my makeup and I look in the mirror, I'm like, this makeup cannot waste. That's just it. It cannot waste. And because the makeup cannot waste, I'm forced to sit down and do a video. And because I'm a teacher, by the time I start talking, the ideas will start coming in. So most times, I have the general subject I want to focus on, but the exact titles and the exact topics, I don't have that most times. I just sit down, I have notes on titles, so I just scan through my titles and I pick one and I start. By the time I do the first one, I already set things rolling. Remember, the makeup cannot waste. So by the time I start the first video, I'm feeling gingered, the makeup is popping. I watch the video again, I'm like, oh my gosh, wow, this is so good. And then I go back and I do the next one and the next one. And as I'm talking and talking, the ideas keep flowing and flowing. It becomes even more natural. I don't have to look at my notes on topics again because they just come to me. And then before you know it, I've done 6 videos, 9 videos, 10 videos. Hey! So if you're a newbie and you're just starting, listen, find what works for you. Today I didn't do jumping jacks. Most times I do jumping jacks. I do jumping jacks, I do burpees, right? I make sure that the AC is like super cold and there's also a fan so that I'm not sweating on my makeup, right? I do jumping jacks, I do burpees, I get my heart rate going. I clap like really hard just to get my body pumped and my heart rate going, because the fastest way to hack the mind is through the body. So if I can get my body going, then it gets me alert. And the more alert I am, then I'm able to sit or stand and record and, create some magic. So find what works for you. I also play music in the background. So while I'm doing my makeup, I play some music, some Afrobeat. I like to listen to DJ Boat on YouTube. He has some really nice mixes. And the music is jiving. I'm doing my makeup. I'm looking pretty. I'm thinking like I'm in a club. And then by the time I feel good, I'm in a better state to create amazing content. So find what works for you. If you prefer Zen, meditative music, and just want to be cool and calm, sure, do that. If you prefer to eat spaghetti before you start, go ahead, do that. If you prefer to roll on the floor, or if you prefer to pray and Shanda Karabakayata, go ahead and do that. Do what works for you. But the thing here is that keep your word to yourself. If you've said you're going to do something, do it. It doesn't have to be done to perfection, even though anything worth doing is worth doing well. But the point is that you keep your word to yourself. When you keep your word to yourself, you're able to keep your word to other people. And when people see you as trustworthy and having integrity, they are more likely to do business with you. And every time you show up online, it's free. Social media is free. Somewhat, you pay for your data, pay for your phone and all of that. But the moment you have that, you have it and you have access. 24-hour access for free. So make the best use of it. The world is going into this new space of limited possibilities in a way that is so obvious. All you have to do is take advantage of it. All you have to do is position yourself to tap into those possibilities. There's abundance here for you. All the possibilities are endless, and it's here for you, to work for you, to serve you, for you to be the best that you can be and create the most amazing offers and the most amazing products and services. And those creative juices can come out. Just find what works for you, and it doesn't have to be the norm. You don't need to fit in. You don't have to do jumping jacks like me. If you want to be all natural, no makeup, go ahead, but make sure that you look very presentable, you look good, and you are spitting value. So I like to let my makeup ginger me, okay? I like to let my pretty face ginger me. I don't need to wait for someone to tell me, oh, hey, you look good. I look at myself in the mirror and I say, ooh, queen, wow, is that you? Oh my gosh, what? And when you are able to ginger yourself, then you're able to do the things that ordinary people will think is so out of this world, like, oh my gosh. But because you know how to get yourself going, you know how to turn yourself on, you know how to generate high level energy, that is a superpower. Bank on it, rely on it, build on it, and convert that into cash. I'm sure this helps. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.